Achieve best results by knowing what to do and what not. Number 1. Make it a habit to conduct nozzle check before printing to save ink and to check if the print head requires cleaning. Number 2. Do not use low-quality paper. Use the right media. Number 3. If you want a productive and easy workflow, use a RIP software for faster print and less waiting time. Number 4. Don't use unbranded heat press. Get an industrial heat press that can get the job done. Number 5. Do not use poor quality ink. It could damage the print head. Washability won't be good and it's not environmental and health friendly at all. Number 6. Get the right equipment. A stable large format sublimation printer and get yourself a heavy industrial heat press. And if you're new to this whole sublimation thing, talk to the people who has the right knowledge that you need in order for you to start your business or to grow it bigger if you already have one.
To know more about garment decoration and textile printing solutions, visit our website at www.texcraft.com.